Welcome to Conscious Planet. We're going to introduce to you today a product called Phytomume, a very unique product. It is a plant sterol concentrate. It's made with proprietary processes and it is patented. It includes a broad spectrum active organic plant acid antioxidant complex that is clinically tested at Guelph University in Canada. It contains vital precursors to cell functions, fat-soluble vitamin usage, and development and usage of hormones, and enhanced immunity. Phytomume, in summary, helps to reduce cardiovascular plaque, balance LDL cholesterol, is anti-inflammatory, is antibacterial, anti-ulcer, anti-arteriosclerosis, anti-tumor, anti-diabetes, antioxidative, and anti-cancer. We recommend that people of all ages consume this each and every day. It can usually be taken first thing in the morning with water, which is most common. Most people will take 2 to 3 capsules a day as an adult. Children can take one or even open up the capsules if they have to, but it's best to keep the capsules closed because they are enteric coated. And the recommendation is for the first 6 to 7 days of using the product that people take a low dose, usually 5 to 6 caps a day, to shock the system and get the immune system going as quickly as possible. Look at some of the highlights from the patent and the studies done of this product, Phytomume. At that time, the product was known as sterol 117. Phytosterols are fats that are present in all plants, including fruits and vegetables, and although structurally similar to cholesterol, the sterols synthesized by animals and plants differ in the nature of their side chain. So looking at these two chemical compositions, the plant on the right-hand side has extra hydrogen molecules you'll see in several places, which give it more ionization effect in us. Enzogynol is an example of a water-soluble extract of monomeric and oligomeric proanthocyanidins, flavonoids, flavonoid glycosides, esters, and natural organic acids prepared from the bark of Pinus radiate by a pure water extraction process. This extract has been shown to have in vitro antioxidant action, so it supports the usage of these other ingredients and deliver these other phytosterols into our body. Omega-3, 6, and 9 essential fatty acids, such as those found in salicylate, which is one of the ingredients in this product, has a structural role in phospholipids of all cell membranes in the body, influencing membrane viscosity and permeability. EPA and DHA are thought to be responsible for beneficial effects such as prevention and management of coronary heart disease and hypertension. Of course, these omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids allows the nutrients to easily pass the cell wall and stay inside us for up to 48 hours. And of course, the DHA and EPA, as those hormones, are critical for all of our functions in many levels. The composition has also been demonstrated to be beneficial in the modification of blood lipid parameters. Specifically, the composition of the supplement has been shown to reduce the total cholesterol to high-density lipoprotein, HDL ratio, TC-HDL, as well as to reduce the low-density lipoprotein, LDL to HDL ratio, compared to a placebo-treated control. So this is very important, especially with the rise of negative cholesterol issues with many people. So taking this product helps lower LDL, the bad cholesterols, and helps raise your HDL levels. The further uniqueness of the invention is the discovery that combining phytosterols with the antioxidants and fatty acid complexes produces a synergistic effect whereby the cumulative total effect of the composition is greater than the sum of the individual effects of the respective components. As a result, this new composition optimizes the immune system to deal with viral and bacterial infections as well, while also protecting the body from degeneration due to free radical damage. This is extremely significant information. Additionally, the invention is original and novel because it can not only assist in preventing possible causes of cancer, but inhibits or reduces cancer cell growth in breast, colon, and prostate cancer cases, and facilitates the removal of the dead tissue arising from the death of the said tumors. Again, this is very important. That is, the composition can modulate or optimize as opposed to only boosting the immune system, as discussed below. And here's the list of the other benefits this product does give to the body as proven by its patented study. To modulate human immune system, to prevent or treat diseases of the human immune system for common cold and flu, microorganism infection, viral, yeast and bacterial infections, allergies, rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, chronic fatigue syndrome, fibromyalgia, asthma, diabetes, and eczema, to inhibit or reduce cancer cell growth in breast, colon, and prostate cancer. To maintain CD4 lymphocyte counts in HIV patients. This is extremely important for realizing what HIV patients go through with these viral loads and how Phytomume can support them to get back on track. To treat enlarged prostate problems as an anti-inflammatory agent and modifying blood lipid parameters as discussed below. designed to stimulate the body to marshal its own natural defenses against allergies and other immune-related disorders, breast, colon, and prostate cancer, and immune suppression, as opposed to alleviating or preventing these disorders with chemical or synthetic products. Traditional treatments have severe side effects. Prostate cancer can include impotence and incontinence. Chemotherapy encourages severe depression of the immune system. So the pilot study was conducted at the University of Guelph by the Human Nutraceutical Research Unit on the supplement Phytomume, or at that time called sterol 117. A randomized double-blind placebo-controlled clinical trial to determine the effects of sterol 117 supplement containing plant sterols, pine bark antioxidants, and essential fatty acid complex on specific immune parameters and cardiovascular indices in both men and women with non-food allergies. 20 subjects consisting of 16 females and 4 males aged from 20 to 50 years old and who fit specific inclusion-exclusion criteria were recruited. The results in the immune parameters section: basophils, WC involved in fighting parasitic infections. The effects of the supplement on immune parameters are presented in Table 1. Interleukin 6. Interleukin 6 has been found to act as a growth factor in several tumors, and some viruses also use interleukin 6 to replicate. Interleukin 6 also causes calcium to be released from the bones, promoting osteoporosis. We must control the release of these cytokines if we want to enhance immunity and reduce degenerative diseases. According to this table in this study, the basophils were reduced by 95.6% in this study over 28 days by using the Phytomume. This is statistically very significant. Cardiovascular parameters. The effects of the supplement on lipid and lipoprotein parameters are illustrated in Table 2 and Table 3. Table 2, the effects of Phytomume supplementation on lipid and lipoprotein parameters and cardiovascular indices from 0 to 28 days, again with LDL cholesterol reducing 15% in that period of time. Again, very significant levels of change. The effects of Phytomume supplementation on specific cardiovascular ratios from 0 to 28 days with THC, with total cholesterol, HDL and LDL to conversion to HDL cholesterol, again 9.4% and 17.7% respectively, statistically very significant. And the enteric coating is a barrier applied to capsules and tablets that controls the location of the digestive system where it is absorbed. Enteric refers to the small intestine. Therefore, enteric coatings prevent release of capsules and tablets before it reaches the small intestine. This is very important to get the best effectiveness and value for the supplements you're taking that need to be taken in by the small intestine. This enteric coating is made from folic acid microcoating for immediate release in the stomach. pH activated enteric coating protects from stomach acid for release only after reaching upper intestine. Sustained release gel diffusion system clinically proven to maintain blood nutrient levels over 12 hours. And this triple layer encapsulation protects the active cultures from stomach through stomach for release in the lower intestine. Summary: phytosterols is approximately 300 milligrams of beta of phytosterols in Phytomume. 170 milligrams of it is beta cytosterol, the most important and highest quality one. Enzogynol is a broad spectrum antioxidant and also contains salicylate, which is an EPA-rich concentrate that helps the cell accept these other nutrients and retain it in the body for 48 hours. Again, this enteric coating is very important so the nutrients get to the target.